Hi everyone. So how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today I'm just showing on the hack the box. Okay, on the inside of the hack the box. So there is a challenges. The challenges name is a Stego challenges, with the steganography challenges, right? So if you're looking for the steganography, what is actually the definition of the steganography? The simple, the practice of the counseling messages or information within other or non-secret or encrypted data. So for the different for the steganography, there's a lots of parts of the steganography, but we are using the top 22 tools. Whenever we just using the steganography challenges, the convert, exif tool, exif 2, image magics. So this is actually the tool list, right? So this is actually the tool list we are using on the steganography. So let's start, okay, and solve the challenges of the hack the box Stego challenges. And that challenge name is a digital cube. The first challenge, okay. So this is actually a digital cube by the Morpheus, and this is the difficulty level. Someone's giving this one difficulties level, this one. Okay. So the straight model leaned forward and rotated his monitor towards Suzanne. The screen was black except for a small white text box blinking in the middle and time syllabus and 50-50. Using the translator, the single base crypto machine could not crack this code. Maybe you can. Okay, the zip code, because I just downloaded this file, and this file is like a zip file, so zip password is also with a hack the box. Okay, I just click on a download and click on a save and click on a OK. Right? And it's downloaded. I just open folder on download folder, right click on it and open terminal here. Okay, and type ls. So in ls there is a digital cube.zip zip file. I try to unzip it with the command of unzip and sorry digital cube and hit enter. The password is here. It's actually the hack the box, right? I just type this password here and it comes here and just type ls. So this is actually the digital cube.txt file. Okay, so this is actually the what actually inside this text file. To check the inside of the text file, I just using the cat command and using the digital cube.txt and hit enter. Oh no, I just got a lot of binaries number. Okay, this is a binaries number. So my first target is here. My target is flag. Okay, so I just try here binary to text converter, hit enter, and these are rapid tables and this one. Just check, just scroll down a little bit. I just using this one, the convertbinary.com, translate the ASCII text. Okay, fine. So I just copy this. Okay, I just copy it and just paste it here and click on the translate button. So whenever I just click on the translate button, I'm getting this result. So this result is actually not useful for me. Okay, so here actually I'm using the online tools. Okay, so I just now just back from here. This one is actually not successful for me. So I just actually type the binary to image. Okay, let's check what's happened there. So I just open this one. Okay, so I just click on here and paste this binary and just click on it draw. Yeah, so it's giving me these types of images. Okay, download image to. When you look this one, so they given the hints the 50:50 ratio, while the text box blinking in the middle. And times elapsed, the translator, the single base crypto machine could not crack this code. Maybe you can. Okay, so 50:50. So I just download this image again and okay. So this is actually looks like a barcode. Okay, this looks like a barcode. So again, I just using the online tools here, the barcode reader. I type here barcode reader and hit enter. So I just click on here, free online web application, the code, to select the barcode type. Okay, otherwise you can select the images, the format. I just download PNG format. I just click on the browse, click on the download options, and there is searching for the 50:50:50, yeah, decode, and click on the open. Okay, and just now I click on the read. Let's check. I just scroll down. Yeah, I just got it. Let's copy this one, open my hack the box browser and click on the submit. Is giving me the please rate. Okay, I'm not giving the rating. I just using a easy it. Okay, and click on the submit. Boom, my correct flag. Congratulations. Okay, so this is actually the steganographic challenge. Okay, on the hack the box. So on the next tutorial I will just discuss on the next one. Okay, on the next one is the forest. Okay, on the next challenge I comes to you on a forest challenge, and this one is also be I explain on the forest challenge. Okay, okay, thank you all, and thank you for your watching, and thank you for your watching on, and take your valuable time. Thank you. Bye bye.